welcome back. Today we're going to do the Holiday Inn Express and Suites Bangkok Pier. As you can see, we're showing the entrance outside, and located right next door is the Cafe Amazon. So if you need to get your coffee fixed, you can do that pretty much anytime. Take a step into the lobby here, and the lobby's a little bit on the smaller side, but the staff did a good job getting people in and out of here. Though I would say you're normally going to run into some folks up front. Never saw this empty. Here's a look at the room. I stayed in a standard room while I was at this location. Got a bed, little chair off to the side, a little side room with a couch and the table. You can see I was using that to double for a desk while I was there. There's the TV in the corner. Honestly, I never watch TV while I'm on the road. Usually just use the computer. Here's a few other views from the room. We asked in the past if folks wanted the views from the couch or the seats, and we'll try to incorporate those more going forward since folks said yes. You got a little cubby corner over there. Okay, up front, you've got a little side area here with the microwave and the sink. I appreciate the fact that they include paper towels at this location. Seems like that's always something you need. And while I do a terrible job of filming it, there we go. You can see they do have a nice little mini fridge. And they do have some silverware as well as cups and saucers for you. Silverware is always nice when you're ordering out grab. Over here you can see we have the safe and the coffee and tea setup, as well as the laundry list and some slippers down below. The closet has the ironing and ironing board, as well as plenty of closet space for hang up clothes, which is nice. And they also have some drawers below. I never use those. I'm always worried I'm going to leave something in the hotel. This bathroom's a little bit on the smaller side, so it'll be kind of difficult for me to film, but you'll get the idea. Walk-in shower with whatever you need there as far as shampoo and conditioner. We'll make our way out here. Standard toilet with bum gun. That's typical what you see in Southeast Asia. And a sink, a little bit of counter space, but not a lot. Hey Bill, how you doing? Now this is something I tell you what, like, I've done laundry a bunch of different ways on the road. Having a laundromat that's nice at the hotel is almost like having a luxury. It really is. And they have a good laundry here. I used it a couple times, and I was actually very grateful. Like, I use services sometimes, but to be honest, like, I've had hit and miss experiences. I've had a couple times where I didn't get all my clothes back. You can see right here they have the drink machine. You get all kind of beverages up here. Same area there with the laundry. Here's a quick look at the pool. It's the smaller side, but it's covered, which is nice. And there's a gym off to the side. The gym is on the smaller side, and honestly, I didn't film it for you because it was always busy. But there are bathrooms right next to the pool here, as well as some seating. You can see behind those chairs over there, there is the gym. All right, they do have a spa here. We'll take a quick glance in there, and then we'll show you the dining area. Whoa, there we go. I did not use this, so I can't speak to the quality, but usually inside the Holiday Inns, they have a pretty decent spa. A little more expensive than the outside, but usually can get a pretty good masseuse. We'll take a look here at the breakfast. They actually do have a very good breakfast but all the food is in one small area in this pretty busy location, to be honest with you. So much like filming the bathroom, it was kind of rough filming up here because you basically were always standing in between other people getting their breakfast. But it's the standard fare that you would see in Southeast Asia. A lot of rice and dishes that are like stir fry or vegetables. They have the chicken sausage and ham there, and scrambled eggs. And they always did the sunny side up. And you see they got the croissants. They also have the pancakes that they make in the morning and throw in there, which is nice. A little rough on the filming there for sure. Sorry about that. Yeah, there's those mini pancakes. And see some potatoes, looks like. More sunny side eggs. There's a nice outdoor seating area at this location as well. We'll show you that in a second. Of course, all kinds of beverages for you to choose from, as well as multiple coffee machines. There we go. Hit the button and just wait a minute. Fresh coffee. I don't know. I'm kind of... I think my preference would be the old-fashioned coffee cups, to be honest, or the coffee pots. Here's the outdoor seating. Very nice. When it wasn't too hot in the morning, this was actually a really nice place to come out and enjoy breakfast. Speaking of nice places, I'm not going to try to pronounce this, but Shane was still hanging out with me when I was staying here, and we came over here to this Thai restaurant at least 4 or 5 times. That's just how good they were. And here, I'll walk by Shane here in a second, and we'll walk up to the top. We actually ate downstairs most of the time, but they also had some nice seating up top. We'll show you that real quick. It's funny, in Thailand, I can't tell you how many places that I've gone that you basically, when you go upstairs, it's some kind of walk like this. I'll speed the camera up for you. But you're basically going through some little staircases, and different floors have different stuff. You saw the pool table, and we'll keep making our way up. More seating there. Yeah, there we go. There's the pool table. We finally get up here. You think, oh, we've made it to the top. Look at all the staff up here. Nope, we're almost there, though. This was a cool little area to sit when it wasn't too hot or raining outside. It actually was pretty cool. You can see I got the view of the BTS coming by here. It's funny, it's not like there's anything that's like especially scenic up here. It's just kind of fun coming up here to eat dinner. And they do serve drinks, just make sure you don't have too many, because you're going to have to go back down those stairs. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.